Tired of meal prep containers that crack, warp, or just don't hold up? Enther Bento boxes promise a simple solution. Durable, microwave-safe containers that actually last. Imagine no more worrying about flimsy lids or containers that can't handle the heat. Enther delivers on what most brands fail to: reliable, BPA-free containers built for everyday use. I've tested countless meal prep containers, and the frustration of replacing broken or melted boxes is real. But with Enther, that changed. These containers snap shut securely, keep your food in place, and stand up to repeated microwave and dishwasher cycles without any damage. Plus, they're thoughtfully designed with dividers for portion control and stack neatly in the fridge or freezer. It's clear they listen to what users really need. What makes Enther stand out? It's the combination of quality and customer care. If your container cracks or doesn't meet your expectations within 10 uses, you get a full refund, no questions asked. That's a promise you don't see every day. If you want a meal prep container that's safe, sturdy, and designed to simplify your routine, Enther is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game.